Like, that's just the craziest thing. We, like, sometimes you just do something like that and it's just like, far out, we really live in the future. Like, I remember when I was a kid and I used to, like, on road trips, Dad got a USB internet connection thing, like a 3G hotspot USB connector. And I would borrow his laptop in the back of the car and use that 3G connector to be on the internet while we were traveling, and be able to talk to friends and stuff on MSN from the comfort of the back seat of the car. And that felt like the future. That was insane to me. And now we can sit in the car and just connect to a hotspot on my phone. That USB internet had 8 gigabytes limit. Now my phone has 500 gigabytes limit, and I'm able to fight people with 0 lag who are playing in Japan from a car. That is just... do you ever just think about how wacky and crazy the future is? Also, am I still here because the chat has stopped and I'm just like, oh yeah, there we go. Okay, you guys just went quiet. That's all. It always worries me. I feel like I've lost connection and haven't realized or something. The hype train finished earlier, by the way. Thank you very much to everybody that contributed to it. Roy, Duro, Corn, Cake Mixer, and Bad Deanna as well. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, it is going to be a kind of chill, lower energy stream today because I'm still recovering with my sore throat. It's right here, the soreness. It sucks. I also slept extremely badly last night, so we're just going to be vibing today. But we are heckin' finishing the bookshop today. I'm determined. We've got 4 bags left. We've got bags 7 and 8, and there's 4 bags between them. We're going to be taking it easy, but we are heckin' finishing this set. I want to see it done. I want to take a beautiful photo of it next to my other modulars, and then I want to move on to some Monkey Kids sets in the near future as well. So we're definitely finishing this today. Try some tea of honey, my friend. I'm way ahead of you. Except it's not tea, it's just hot water with honey and lemon, and it's really good. Sounds like you're successfully fighting off something. Good for you. Yeah, I mean, I'm actually usually really susceptible to colds and stuff, which is why I'm quite nervous about the idea of getting COVID, and I'm very much looking forward to getting my vaccine on the 30th, I think it is. So next Monday. And yeah, because when I get a cold, it hits me hard. Like, I'm inconsolable when I have a cold. I am just an absolute mess when I get sick. So COVID would probably mess me up big time. So very glad that whatever I somehow contracted when I'm not leaving the house, wearing a mask and everything, I'm glad that whatever it is, it's I seem to be fighting it off right now thanks to this home remedy that I've been consuming non-stop for the last few days. But gosh, it's been a big help. Anyway, let's head over here and get started. I think this is where we're at. Here's my mug in non-keyed out form. Isn't it cute? There we go. Cozy times with Scummers and Gus. Well, Scummers and Gus, neither of them are here, but I'm here. That Squad Knife is here in Lego form and knitted form. This is where we're at with the bookshop. We need to separate that out and get building, I think. Maybe a little bit hungry, Darcy, but not especially urgent. I don't know, we just started. I probably shouldn't go BRB to eat something, you know? Has Scummers been streaming? Who's gonna tell him, gang? Who's gonna break the news to Shags? The sweet summer child. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. Shags. We have some bad news to share with you. I don't have the heart to tell him, chat. I don't have the heart to tell him. Shags, Skarmo's quit, bro. Look, I'll still shout him out. But my man doesn't stream anymore. He had his big final stream. It was a Halo tournament that Lovely and I both participated in. As well as a lot of other people. Mash was in there as well. Polly. I think even Stig was in there. Lovely's husband, Sam. There was a whole bunch of us. Mostly Wolf. Normal Type. There was a whole bunch of people in the final stream. He's still around. But no, I think he's done, Shags. He is quit. He still hangs out in his Discord voice chat and streams Risk of Rain in there sometimes, so there's that, I guess. If that counts for much. How should we do this? I guess I'll just have that over there while we're nulling stuff. Alright. As long as he's happy with his decision. I think he is happy. Yeah, I think it's been a lot. It's been a weight off of his shoulders. Ooh, 3.8% corn. That, like, so I take it you're playing Splatoon. That is maybe the least I've ever heard of someone getting. I hope you took a screenshot of that. That is rough. Imagine being on a team that only got 3.8%. We're talking Splatoon, if that wasn't clear to people, because our community is kind of becoming a Splatoon community, except for with Lego streams. It's kind of weird. Oh, they had a DC. Okay, well that makes a little more sense. But like, gee, 3.8%. They couldn't have been trying very hard, could they? Yeah, lowest you've had on the other team was 7%. Yeah, that's reasonable still, but gee whiz. Captain Jarth, I don't know how to tell you this, but I don't think there's been a raid. What the heck is Splatoon? I'm actually not even sure if it's a joke or not. Yeah, imagine being on a team with someone who gets 13